call, Bill. I'm a people. I got about 10 minutes to get to work, and I'm 20 minutes away. I see you. Yeah. Well, you started a pot with that one. Bye. The man on 2-4. Get me. I know it's doing that. Don't worry about it. I'm going to take care of it. Well, if you already earned this status coming, you already took care of it. I see.
Who's that operator talking until 9:31?
What's up, $5? I can do it anytime I want. What's up, $5?
Ain't nothing popping. What's going on? How you doing this morning?
Oh, man, I ain't got no complaints. I'm just out here on the big road, slow motion, trying to get to the street where I'm lying. I'm trying to get to the sugar mine. So I put some gas in this car there, rolling.
I was sitting back listening to you talking to 9:31. You said how did you put it? You were 20 minutes away, 15 or something like that. I'm sitting right here, eavesdropping, you know, and I appreciate them accolades. I'm not playing.
I know you ain't got man. I said I gotta be at work in 10 minutes. I'm 20 minutes away. I don't know how that multiplication factor gonna work for me, but I'll get there soon. There, Ryan.
Well, don't. You don't tell me get no citation. You don't try to get there. You don't tell me. But hey, homeboy, when you do get there, keep safety on your mind. Homeboy, J.B. Stone, big driver. I'm rocking Kansas City right there.
I know you are, man. I always tell me. I tell you, you only come out of Galveston and talk when you wanna. Mr. Talk when he wanna down there in Galveston. Catch you later. J.B. Stone, he's working in photo electric.
Yeah, my good friend Jigsaw. I was trying to pick up on your voice, but you know how when you talk to 1,000 people over here, and then you talk to another 1,000 people up north, south, you know what I'm talking about. Jigsaw, you know what I'm talking about. My longtime friend, Jigsaw, $5 reel, this side of Galveston, Texas, J.B. Stone. I'm rocking what is it, Mule State or the wheat field?
I'm interstate commerce. I do it on both sides of the water there, 410.
Right, just 410. You smoke on both sides of the water, 410.
I like it like that. I ain't gonna say I got it like that. I just do it the way it comes.
And that's all we do. That's all I do. Jigsaw. I just rock right along with Mother Nature. 410.
Rock that company all the well. Like I said, you talk when you want it at 410.
When conditions allow me, now don't get it twisted now, Jigsaw. When conditions allow me to, 410.
You sure right. Well, it sure allow you awfully a lot. I see in a company in a TV propaganda, you're 90% strong.
You know, I listen to her too. You know, on the propaganda thing. You know what I'm talking about, Jigsaw. I sure do. And she'll tell you what days are good and what day. Today's it's a good day. Jigsaw, I'm gone.
You ain't right about that, man. I like that, man. I gotta keep both eyes on the wall, both hands on the steering wheel. Hey, Dollar, I'm coming down to you later. I'll be down there around Houston later on in this year, man. So if you ain't somewhere touring on one of these breaks, I'll bob it down on you. Catch you later, Mr. J.B. Stone. The man talk when he wants. I'll see you. Good day.
Now, I like the way that sounds. That's got a tone to it. Hey, Jigsaw. Nah, that's got a tone. Jigsaw, I'm gone.
Hey, man, I only give credit what credit due, man. You earned them people. You talk when I want.
That's 9:31 keyed up in there. Hey, Jigsaw, take care, man. You know, I might keep that one alive, Jigsaw. I like that swagger to that one. Jigsaw, I'm gone.
410. Catch you later. I'm out. I'm a bunch of you. Me. Talking about the number one man that got everybody to ride out. So now I'm gonna have to call you. You're gonna be trying to do one because you talk when you want. Bob was to talk when I want. Sure, that is.
I don't know. Jigsaw keyed up in there 2 times. He sure did. I don't know about that. Take care, guys. I'm gonna sit back and read the mail, as they say. I'm gonna sit back and listen. I'm gone.
I like to key on the number 1 man. I like keying on the number 1 man, $5 back.
You know what? I like it too. I like to do the same thing. You know what I'm talking about? It's all. I like to do the same thing. You know. If you don't have some sort of motivation, some sort of, you know what I'm talking about. So I'm gone.
You sure all right, man?
Talk when you want to, key when you want to. Key when you want to, talk when you want to. Now that's saying something. I'm gone. It sounds like both of y'all want to get in that old shootout thing. You know what I'm talking about. So I'm going to let y'all go. Hey, Jigsaw. Hey, 931. I'm going to let y'all hook up with one of these shootout stations and a shootout operator. I'm gone. One. There go one right there.
You sure got it down. Ain't no doubt about that. Right, you got it down, and you have it. I'm going to the kitchen.
Yeah, who is that? Who is that going to the kitchen?
On that television here, I'm going to shoot out in the kitchen.
Now, I picked up on your voice then. I ain't looking at you. But I did pick up on your voice. I'll tell you what though, you got a whole bunch of them in your city. You got a whole bunch of them shootout station in your city.
Devo. Alright, take care. Have a good day. I'm back out.
Take care. Tell Prince I said hello. Have a good week. Well, I'm gonna tell you. You shoot it. They multiplying over there. Them gonna shoot that boy. They multiply. King, I'm gone.
Devo. Okay, I'll tell him what you said. Take care. I'm gonna be back over here reading the mail.
Sound good too. EbonyKing sound good too. Ain't no doubt about it. I was looking up there in the wheat field, and I thought you was in Galveston for a minute there. You know what I'm talking about. Take care, my good friend, and speak on the fine family. Always a pleasure when I see you. EbonyKing, J.B. Stone, Big Drop. I'm rocking Galveston. I'm gone.
Well, I'm not with you. Yeah, you on your J.B. Stone, Big Drop. Get you later. I'm back out.
410. EbonyKing. I'm gone.
I tell you when you get out the tree. It's all part I see outside all the way. You say bye. And go get us something to talk on. I'll see you.
I got my back to you. That 410.
I ain't gonna call your name. So have yourself a good day. I'm back out.
Let me do it for you. EbonyKing. Let me do it. Let me do it for you. Oh. Duck.
Demo. Take your head here. You trying to call somebody's name. You thought you gonna call the name. Take care. I'll catch you later. Take care, my friend.
You know what I do. I do it sometimes because every time, doggone it, EbonyKing, you got to ball your fist up. Every time, I get tired of even the boxers. Even the boxers take off sometime. Hey, EbonyKing, even the cat and being boxers, they take off sometime. EbonyKing, oh God.
That's the way it is. That's the way I do. You don't have to come out every day to be in your comic title, If Muhammad Ali, he didn't defend his title every day, so I don't have to come out to be in mine every day. I'm gone.
I feel the same way, but I'm gonna tell you something, King. But you already know you have to. EbonyKing, you don't feel like it. You don't feel up to it. But some of these old them old shootout balls, you know the one I'm talking about. They make you. EbonyKing, I'm gone.
They be chasing me though when I'm out here. You know my bunch up, they be chasing, every cabaret show. Take it out, man. I'm gonna eat back out of here, man. I'm over here reading some mail.
You know, storm chasers. They are no different. EbonyKing, look. They are no different than the storm chasers. Trying to get to. Actually, they're trying to take your glory. They ain't trying to get it. They're trying to take it. Storm chasers. King, I'm gone.
Check, me too.
And I'm gonna tell you another thing too. When they get there, when they do get by, you know what I'm talking about. They ease up in there with the surge thing. And EbonyKing, when they do get that old surge thing up in there, then they want to tell you something. And the same snuff skaters that's on your local side, they don't want to speak to you, but they want to tell you something when they get that surge in it. Ain't that something?
They're right, but I don't worry about don't care if it's surges, cause a blow clock is right here, it's right 2 times a day, so I don't even worry about it. Them surges, take it out, get you later, I'm back out.
Yeah, even the clock. I like the way you put that. Even the clock is got the twice a day. So I'll give them that. I'll give them 2 times. But I'm gonna tell you something. I got Killer over here idling. She ain't off today. Killer's idling. I mean, it's JB Stone Big Drop. EbonyKing, I'm rocking. I'm gone.